Lenovo ThinkPad X260 20F6 Business Laptop X260 12.5 inches IPS Anti-Glare. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I do a lot of typing, writing, and wanted a small laptop to use in the car. Not while driving. Never try to type while driving. Smile for me. The keyboard was the biggest consideration. Small laptops, in particular, often have flimsy, noisy keys. This one has full-sized keys that are solid and quiet. I was also pleasantly surprised with the finger sign-in, easy to use, and backlit keyboard. I've owned other laptops with glitchy touchpads, but this one seems to work reliably so far. This isn't the thinnest, lightest machine out there, but it feels rugged and is perfect for my needs. I was a little confused about the battery. It has an internal battery as well as a removable one. I emailed the seller and they responded to my question right away. This comes with a 3-cell removable, but Lenovo also sells a 6-cell. I took this on a 7-hour one-way trip last weekend and only used half the battery. I turned off Bluetooth, and only used it for typing, no videos, etc. For me, the 3-cell seems sufficient so far, but it's good to know I can upgrade and have a backup battery, if needed. A lot of small laptops don't have the removable option. I also like having the SD slot. I've started keeping an SD card in my computers all the time, and I use it to back up files that I'm currently working on. I plug in the large external for full backups, but I probably don't do that as often as I should. I can't speak to the screen or gaming quality, since I primarily use it for typing and light internet. For my needs, it's absolutely perfect. Highly recommend. Absolutely love this laptop. I've had another identical model for years. It's lightweight, has solid battery life and fantastic performance. It's used for business work and runs everything from standard programs to even more processor-intense items such as CAD with ease. The ergodynamics are well done for comfortable usage for hours. Screen is crystal clear and the webcam/speakers/microphone work very well for video conferencing. Speed of the SSD drive and increased memory make it very snappy and ultra responsive. I definitely highly recommend this laptop and would buy another one again in an instant. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.